Hey everyone, today is pronunciation practice, where I say random words often mispronounced. First, going through the list, I will say the word as it's pronounced, then how I often hear it mispronounced, and then again as it should be pronounced. All right, let's go. Start with pretty. Okay, pretty girl, pretty dress. It's often heard as pretty or pretty, which is how it looks like it's spelled that way, but it's pronounced short I and a T as a D. Pretty. All right, recipe. Not recipe, but recipe. And then there's receipt, what you get in a store when you purchase something. Receipt. And so no stress on the R, stress goes on seat, and the P is silent. Receipt. Tired. I often hear tired. No. Tired. It's easier to say that way. And then analyze. Don't say analyse. Say analyze. I'm going to analyze the problem. Next, a type of clown might be called a fool. And this is not the same thing as folle or folle. It's round oo, fool. And it can be one short syllable, fool, or a little longer, fool. Sounds a little double. You might want to slip a little W sound into the last syllable. Fool, just to be clear. Don't be a fool. All right, and then food, what we like to eat. Food has the same oo sound and rhymes with rude. So don't say food, say food. However, then there's a similar spelled word, good, which is pronounced good, not good, good. But then together you get good food. They look very similar but pronounced differently. So not good food or good food, it's good food. This month is October, not October. Open your mouth, stress the first syllable, October. Good. And finally, but not for the first time, not. It bears repeating, not. Do not pronounce not as not. It's not. Open your mouth and